नहमदुहु सल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फाउज़ बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Good morning, respected teachers, dear classmates, and honorable guests. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I stand before you to discuss a topic that holds immense significance in our lives. Importance of education. Education is not merely a process like acquiring knowledge. It is the foundation upon which we build our future. The key that unlocks the doors to endless opportunities and the life that guides us through the darkest of time. Education shapes our characters, molds our values, and equips us with the skills necessary to navigate the complexities of life. It is through education that we learn to think critically, solve problems creatively, and communicate effectively. These are not just academic skills, they are life skills that empower us to make informed decisions, contribute meaningfully to society, and lead fulfilling lives. In the world of Quran, without education it is complete darkness, and with education it is light. This profound statement underscores the transformative power of education. It has the potential to break the chains of poverty, dismantle the barriers of inequality, and foster a culture of peace and understanding. An educated society is a progressive society, one that values innovations, embraces diversity, and strives for the betterment of all its members. For us as students, education is the stepping stone to our dreams and aspirations. It is the bridge that connects our present to our future. Each lesson we learn, each book we read, and each challenge we overcome in our academic journey contribute to our personal growth and development. It is important to remember that education is not confined to the four walls of a classroom. It extends beyond textbooks and exams, encompassing the experiences we gain, the relationship we build, and the values we uphold. Moreover, education fosters a sense of responsibility and civic duty. It teaches us to be aware of the world around us, to question injustice, and to strive for positive change. As educational individuals, we have the power to influence our community, educate for the voiceless, and contribute to the greater good. Our education is not just for our benefit, it is a good to uplift others and make a difference in the world. Thank you.